Welcome, dear listeners, to another episode of Green Earth Essentials. I'm your host, Michelle Jackson, and today we're exploring the art of creating a rejuvenating spa experience right in the comfort of your own home. Imagine escaping the stresses of daily life and immersing yourself in a sanctuary of relaxation and self-care. With a few simple tips and natural ingredients, you can transform your bathroom into a tranquil oasis. So let's indulge in some well-deserved pampering and elevate our self-care routines to new heights. Creating a spa-like atmosphere begins with setting the mood. Dim the lights, play soft, soothing music, and light some candles to infuse the space with warmth and tranquility. Opt for natural, non-toxic candles scented with essential oils like lavender, chamomile, or eucalyptus to enhance relaxation and promote a sense of calm. Start your spa experience by drawing a warm bath infused with natural bath salts or bath oils. Epsom salt, known for its therapeutic properties, can help soothe tired muscles and promote relaxation. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oils, such as lavender for its calming effects, or peppermint for a refreshing twist. While you soak in the bath, treat your senses to a DIY aromatherapy session. Create a blend of essential oils tailored to your needs. For relaxation, try a blend of lavender, bergamot, and cedarwood. If you need an energy boost, consider a mix of lemon, rosemary, and eucalyptus. Diffuse the oils or add a few drops to a bowl of steaming water for a fragrant steam inhalation. After your bath, indulge in a luxurious body scrub to exfoliate and nourish your skin. You can easily make your own scrub using ingredients from your kitchen, such as coconut oil, brown sugar, and ground coffee. Massage the scrub gently onto damp skin in circular motions. Then rinse off to reveal soft, glowing skin. No spa experience is complete without a hydrating face mask to rejuvenate your complexion. Whip up a mask using natural plant-based ingredients like mashed avocado, aloe vera gel, and oatmeal. Avocado is rich in vitamins E and C, which nourish and protect the skin, while aloe vera soothes and hydrates. Oatmeal acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and revealing a brighter complexion. While your face mask works its magic, take the opportunity to relax and unwind further with a soothing eye treatment. Place chilled cucumber slices or steeped chamomile tea bags over your closed eyes to reduce puffiness and soothe tired eyes. Lie back, breathe deeply, and let the stress of the day melt away. Once you've completed your spa treatments, take a moment to moisturize your skin from head to toe. Choose a nourishing body lotion or oil infused with botanical extracts and essential oils to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling soft and supple. As part of your home spa experience, don't forget to incorporate the soothing ritual of sipping on a warm cup of relaxing herbal tea. After indulging in a luxurious bath and pampering your skin with nourishing treatments, herbal tea offers a delightful way to further unwind and promote relaxation. Choose herbal blends known for their calming properties, such as chamomile, lemongrass, or peppermint. The gentle warmth of the tea combined with the soothing aroma and flavors can help soothe your senses, ease tension, and enhance the overall spa experience. So brew a cup of your favorite herbal tea, cozy up in your bathrobe, and let the comforting embrace of herbal goodness envelop you in tranquility. As we draw our journey to a close, remember that the power of nature's sanctuary is always within reach. By embracing plant-based ingredients and incorporating them into our self-care rituals, we honor both our bodies and the planet. Whether it's indulging in a relaxing bath, treating our skin to nourishing botanicals, or simply taking a moment to breathe in the soothing aroma of essential oils, we can create moments of tranquility and rejuvenation right in our own homes. Let's continue to nurture ourselves and our planet, one spa experience at a time. Stay tuned for more holistic insights and inspiration on Green Earth Essentials. If you found these tips helpful in creating your own spa experience at home, consider supporting Green Earth Essentials on Patreon. Your contribution helps us continue to provide valuable insights and resources for holistic wellness, including podcast episodes, blog posts, and exclusive content. Join our Patreon community today at patreon.com/Green Earth Essentials and be a part of our mission to promote health, well-being, and sustainability. Together, we can cultivate a greener, more balanced world. Thank you for joining me on this journey to create a blissful spa experience at home. With a little creativity and the power of natural ingredients, you can indulge in self-care whenever you need it most. Until next time, may your days be filled with relaxation, rejuvenation, and radiant well-being. This is Michelle Jackson, signing off.